Right on. So Shane hooked it up, guys. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, oh.
Vanilla rum.
Chocolate rum banana, and it's vanilla. Mad River. And what's the deal with this? You know the guy?
So it's made by John Egan. He's got a distillery up in Vermont. I met him when I worked at a restaurant, and he used to bring in whiskey and rum for everyone to try. We used it at the restaurant we work at, and he'd always bring in free samples. I got along with him really well. So before I was leaving my job, he hooked me up with a bunch of samples and a bunch of little bottles. That was one of them. I don't drink rum straight really, but I thought it'd be good for chocolate bananas.
Epic, dude.
It's not Muhammad Ali rum.
I know. Yeah, Ray uses knockout whiskey, and I've always just used rum because I prefer rum to whiskey. So this is what I do. Well, this is what I do anyways. Hold on. So I split it. This is what I do. We each have our own way to do it. I split it and I just kind of do that. And then, well, we all got our own way. I'll show you mine. Then you can show me yours. All right, open this up.
Little bag of chocolate here too.
I saw that. The chips
makes it easier.
Yeah,
sure, but
that's all good.
Yo,
I got aluminum foil if you need it.
Yeah, I think the way the bananas are, if we can get this grill to sit flat, we could just sit them.
So I don't need all that. So I'm gonna put some back.
I just don't want to cook it over at the rec fire. It's probably gonna be over.
I know last time I think.
Right. So now I'm gonna take some chocolate. I'm gonna stuff it in there.
Stuff it.
Stuff it.
The baby bananas are so sweet too. They're perfect for baking.
It's just gonna spill all over me, I'm sure. So I'm gonna move all this off.
Oh, you can put that on after, Mitch.
Huh?
Put the vanilla stuff on after.
What do you mean after? I put it right in, soak it all in. I didn't cut all the way through, so it's gonna be.
All the alcohol off though when you put it in the
No, well, I don't cook it that hot. I just warm it up, and so it turns the banana soft, so it's like.
Yeah, dude.
It's like pudding, you know. Oh, it's so good. That's how I do it anyways. I don't know. Everybody's got their own way.
Last time we made them at my camp, we put coffee brandy on them afterwards.
That's cool.
Yeah, I had vanilla.
All right, so that thing's fully full to the gills. Want to grab that for me so I don't spill it? Oh, that smells delicious. Here's the top to it. All right, so chocolate rum banana. Now it's gonna go right on the grill.
Le grill.
Le grill.
You may want to try to straighten that out.
And this grill is
on there, but it's
a little cockeyed.
It's a little too.
You know what? Let me throw my gloves on and I'll move all this stuff around.
And that'll work. And I'm gonna just put it right over here.
Yeah, that's perfect actually.
And all I'm looking to do is melt the chocolate so it turns, it caps it all in liquid chocolate. And it just seals everything in. Then I'm good to go. Then you spoon it all out and you get chocolate and rum all in one shot. And banana.
And banana. Yeah, so I kind of like squeeze. I just.
Alright, so let's see how Shane does it.
Just so it sits right. So
everyone's got their own style. Chocolate rum banana.
So I got my rum.
I totally got this idea from Ray watching his Africa episode.
So I still slice the banana down the center.
Yep, same way. Sure.
Kind of down the center. I try to just find where I think it's going to sit flat. Sometimes it's not down the center, but this kind of looks like it's going to sit flat that way.
Yep.
And then I just kind of squeeze it like a baked potato, basically.
Same thing, yeah.
Because I want to kind of, before I put it on there, I kind of want the skin to generally peel off.
Oh yeah?
I've noticed that if you do that, the banana almost kind of melts in the chocolate too. I don't know.
Right.
So I kind of squeeze it around a little bit.
Yep.
Plop it up. Push it flat to make sure it's going to lay flat.
Sure.
And then same thing.
Yep.
Throw chocolate in. But I break the chocolate up a little bit too, just so it melts easier. But
right
that's
on.
probably a little bit better because it will melt a little longer. So small pieces.
They look fantastic.
Cool. Yeah, I love this stuff. Man. I make it at home sometimes in my oven.
No, Ashley was all about it when I made it.
My wife surprised me one time. She bought everything we needed, and she was like, "You want to make your rum bananas?" I'm like, "Yeah." Out of nowhere.
That's got to be the key to it.
Yeah, it was a nice surprise.
Can I make one, Shane?
Yeah, dude, there is plenty to make. There's chocolate chips if you don't want to cut up the... So, crunch chocolate, loosened banana,
Can I have one,
where it
Malcolm?
sits flat. So what I generally do for alcohol is I just kind of fill the cap up about 3/4
Interesting.
and just drizzle it across the whole top of it.
Right on. I usually fill it like a boat.
Yeah, so I put in about
Everyone's got
3/4
their own, right?
on top, and then after I'm done, I do what Gary says.
top
and
it
add
off?
just a touch.
Yeah,
That's a
Because
good
what you
idea.
end up with is melted chocolate over the top, and it kind of sinks down in the banana. If you put the rum on top, then it all kind of incorporates.
Oh my God, great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of ways
I
to
guess
do
the lesson we've learned here tonight is there's no wrong way to do it.
it. No, there really isn't.
Just do it.
It's true, there really isn't.
Do it, do it.
Try a piece of meat.
Yeah. Soap, there's cheese.
Oh yeah, starting to melt the front.
Crackers.
With the nuggets.
Mm-hmm. So that side's melting. I'm gonna turn it around, slowly cook that side. It's not a race. This is a very slow process.
I bought a sausage at the store just like on my way to this thing last Saturday.
So you've been doing these things all week.
Yeah, man. Chocolate covered bananas all week.
Peanut butter chips on the banana.
Mm.
Right?
That was good.
You called it.
Yeah, man. What a combo. By a fire. When you prep it, firewood heat you 4 times.
4 times, huh? Oh, look at that.
Look at it, looks like a canoe.
That's gonna be terrible, I can tell.
Yeah.
Get on the boat. The
Barry,
banana.
Barry always says that.
Well, you think about it.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be
Fell the
awful.
tree.
Yep. One.
Look at this. Oh my. Oh, liquid
Plenty enough
happy.
material to make.
Give it the old squeeze. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can.
Can you smell it?
Can you?
Taste it?
Can you?
Smell it,
Oh
vision.
man. Here we go. Oh my. I'm sure I'm so overexposed, but it is what it is. Oh boy. Num num nums. Num 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 nums.
Wow.
So good, isn't it? Mm.
Anybody got a problem with throwing the rind in the fire?
No.
Oh no, I did too. I should have asked.
Mm.
All biodegradable.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
That was great.
Yep.
Good man. Yeah,
They
there's
really
a few
are.
more if anyone wants them.
I get the rum over here too.
I'm just gonna hang
Back-
on to that.
Kevin's just taking that back to his hammock with him tonight.
He makes rum that's not super sweet too, which is why I don't really like rum, but he makes rum that's not super sweet. And for like vanilla rum that's not
Bam.
super sweet.
Done.
Anybody seen the rum? No, but Kevin's been over there singing for a while. We don't know why.
Yeah, track the noise. Follow the sound.
Oh man, that was so good. Thanks, man.
Awesome, man.
You rock, Shane. Yes. Chocolate rum bananas. It's been a while since I've had it.
Best one I've ever had.
Nice,
I'm a
man.
chocolate rum banana virgin.
Dude, I saw Ray do it and I just figured I'd give it a
Brought him
shot.
last year at the.
Yeah, I was pretty happy about it.
Was that you or was that Mike?
I started doing like a Bushcraft
What's better than one, but two?
letter and the letter E.
Mm.
But it's like any, but it's also any wilderness. Man.
Oh, my
I
goodness.
started my feet outside of East Hampton, Mass.
Oh
You know,
my.
I built a lean-to down by
That's
the river,
right.
and you could hear the traffic going by all the time. But you take a picture, and no one knows. you know?
right. But so when it was any New England, Northeast?
It was northeastern originally, but now I go New England. I go ANY, you know, whatever it means to you, you know.
That's cool.
Mm.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Ray would be
Bananas,
proud.
like,
Just a whole crew of
working
people
with me on our
living
website
on
and everything.
bananas
He's
and
writing a blog,
chocolate
so we're
rum.
starting to-